Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 24. Get ready for dictation. Start. Madam, Vice Chairman, I am extremely sorry that last time when this bill was discussed, unfortunately I was not here. Stop. However, I have gone through the speeches which honorable members had made on that day, including the intervention of the minister. Stop. The Home Minister's intervention was highly disappointing. Stop. Now, Madam, I wish to deal with some of the points that have been made in the course of the speeches on my bill. Stop. Many of them agreed that all the regional languages should find their proper place in the proceedings of both houses, though some of them thought that the present arrangement was quite good. Stop. I am not saying that the present arrangement is bad. Stop. What I was demanding was that there should be proper arrangements for speeches being made in all the languages, not only those enumerated or listed in the 8th schedule. Stop. There need be no apprehension that I am interested in ruling out the mother tongue which is not included in the 8th schedule. Stop. I certainly stand for mother tongue being permitted to be spoken here, but at the same time, I thought that in order at least to make the present arrangement better, we should provide for translation in the languages which are listed in 8th schedule. Stop. Our friends of the opposition have taken exception to my suggestion. Stop. Sanskrit is not a modern language which people speak. Stop. This is a language in which we do not go to fight elections or ask for vote or transact our day-to-day work in our daily life. Stop. I think the other languages that are mentioned in the 8th schedule should be taken up more seriously. Stop. Languages of our states should not be left out. Stop. This is all that I suggested. Stop. Some members thought that I was denigrating Hindi. Stop. Those who are aware of the proceedings of the House over the past 2 decades or so know very well that I have always stood for Hindi being given its proper place as a link language in our country. Stop.